What if Deku had a lightning quirk? I don't know why I keep forgetting to do this, but I did promise someone I would do this. So yeah. For some reason I decided to keep putting this on hold, and I'm just fucking tired right now. Let's see. Yeah, let's just do this like a normal what if. 4 years old, has a quirk this time. Shit. Yeah, has a quirk. So at the age of 4 and 14, he's been training his body to withstand his lightning quirk. It's not like, I believe his name is Kaminari. No. Fuck. Oh my god, I forgot everyone's name. I need to rewatch My Hero Academia because I can remember the fucking episodes, just not the fucking. Yeah, I need to rewatch it badly to remember the names. Basically, he's been training through that time. Each day he will, you say, each day he will train his lightning quirk so his body will withstand it. And like with like with Kaminari thing or Ichiro. Fuck, I can't remember the name. Desperately trying to remember it. I think that's it. No, I think it's Kaminari. I believe so. Okay. Those time Izuku made a type of technique. If he holds something in his hand and throws it, electricity will go through it and like basically stun the target. He also made another one where he could make a type of sword, but he needs something to hold on to, like a little piece of metal at best, because he can't, just make it out of thin air. His quirk isn't going to be that strong, because if it is, that means it's going to be TOP, and it's the end of My Hero Academia verse. I do want to continue. What if Deku was doing the... No. The Nobu trade I did because I really like the story I made for it. Now I think of it, I think I need now do scripting to make this better. Fuck, I'm gonna have to do writing for that shit. Either way. Every single time as it goes to his, school, Bakugo, the usual, he tries to, bully him. And through this time, you they'll have like a little fight with Bakugo on top or Zuku. Cause Bakugo can just keep blowing him away while Zuku can, grab him like electrocute him, Well, yeah. So basically, Zuko needs to get used to his electrical quirk or lightning quirk. But what Izuku does do is make a transformation he can use for 2 minutes only. It boosts his strength 2 times, but comes at a cost of all his energy. I don't know what to name it yet, but boosts everything by 2. Not only strength. That's why all his energy gets, drained so fast. Did I get it? I don't think so. Might want to check that out later. Fucking summer. There we go. Alright. Okay, where was I? Yeah. I don't know what to name it yet, but if you guys could give me a name, or if I would think of a name, I don't know yet. Izuku keeps trying to push this transformation to the point where he could use it for at least 3 minutes, but it's useless because he doesn't know how to. He's been trying to train more, trying to work on his, mentality, what the fuck it's called. He's been trying to work for, how many hits he could take and everything, so he's been thinking about everything, but he doesn't know what to do. Mizuku keeps training all the way to 14th when he's in high school finally. Izuku and Bakugo have a friendship rivalry, you could say. Bakugo wants to keep defeating him, Izuku wants to keep training to be above him. Let's see. The UA thing happens when he throws the paper in the air, but like Izuku, they don't make fun of him. Bakugo doesn't tease him with the name Deku, he usually teases him with the name Lightning Boy. Let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah. Such. This is gonna play a whole lot different. Izuku walks, he gets captured. The thing is, he basically shoots lightning from his body to basically strike the fucking, not strike the fucking, hit the sludge venom and get him off. It roasts him. It roasts him. Someone's gonna be saying who owns cooked pork. So yeah. Owen comes in, he gets an autograph because he's still a fanboy. He takes it, he leaves, calls it a day. He doesn't ask if he could be a hero because he knows he could be a hero with a quirk. Because this one, he finally has a quirk. He doesn't get told to go swan dive. So he goes. back home. Well, at least tries to. Because I'm gonna say, oh my, accidentally, you could say, didn't put it all the way in his pocket. So, kind of, pooped out. While on the way home, Izuku hears explosions coming from, I don't know, the Plaza Center? I don't know if I know. Wherever that fucking thing is, a mall, plaza. So yeah, he goes there and sees Bakugo in trouble. He likes but dislikes him, so he doesn't know whether to go in there to help him or just leave him there, to die. But after to see the hopelessness in his eyes, he knew he couldn't just stand around and do nothing to save him. His body moves on itself and he starts running full sprint to go save him. He knows he can't use his quirk on the sludge villain because he will hurt Bakugo. So he uses his move that boosts his strength for 2 minutes to the fullest. He starts tearing the sludge villain apart, trying to get Bakugo out with no avail. Oma, of course, sees this and he turns into his buff form. Does everything, smashes it, and then the weather changes. Izuku, he finally goes home after being bombarded with interviewers, getting scolded from heroes, and he can finally go home. On his way home, Homie comes up and asks if he wants all for one. I'm going to leave it off here because I don't know if you guys want me to give him all for one. Until then, you guys choose. Because I am tired of fucking choosing if he gets all for one or doesn't get it. I want you guys to choose for fuck's sake. Now, if there's any other what ifs you want for me to do, I'll gladly do them. Just leave them in the comments. It might take me a couple days. I feel fucking bad for leaving this guy with no. What if Deku had a lightning quirk? What if? So if you guys want to, just give me a what if. If you want a movie about it, I will gladly sit my ass down and talk about the whole My Hero Academia all the way to, all for one. Because I'll gladly do it because I feel like shit now. So start spamming those comments with what ifs you want me to do. What if Deku was saying? What if Deku was this or this or that or that? Motherfucker, I'll try my best. Hell, even for one of them, I might do a script for it. But until then, have a good day, have a good life, and don't go coronavirus, and you know the usual. See you later.